Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to block someone in Zangi Messenger. To block someone in Zangi Messenger, first tap open the application. Then make sure that you are logged into your application. In the settings section, you will see your private number, your profile information and various other information as well. Now you have to scroll down and go to privacy section. Here, you can set your passcode lock or fingerprint, you can hide your conversation, you can also make changes to your other privacy settings. To block someone, you simply have to tap on blocked. If you have blocked someone before, the list will be shown right here. To block someone, simply tap on the plus icon located on your top right. Now, select the person you want to block by simply tapping on the profile name. Once you do this, tap on the tick mark located on your bottom right. And here you go. You have successfully blocked this contact in your Zangi Messenger. We also have another method to block someone in Zangi Messenger. You just have to go back. Then go to the chat section by simply tapping on the chat icon located on the bottom panel. Now just open the chat you want to block. Now tap on the three dots located on your top right. Here you can see various options including video call, search option, shared media option, wallpaper, clear chat, and right below clear chat you will see block option. Tap on it. Then this pop-up message will appear. It says that the blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you any messages. If you are confirmed, simply tap on block. And now you have successfully blocked this person in Zangi Messenger. Once you block someone, the blocked contacts won't be able to see any updates you make to your profile photo. They won't also be notified about being blocked to protect your privacy. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.